Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your group classes with SoulCycle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current class sizes and attendance patterns. Identify peak times when classes are most filled. Analyze participant feedback to understand what your audience enjoys and what they want to see improved. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your classes through social media and local events. Create attractive promotions or discounts for new members and group packages. Consider hosting special events or themed rides to generate excitement and draw larger crowds. Leverage partnerships with local businesses to cross-promote your classes. Train instructors to create a consistent, engaging experience that retains members. Focus on building a strong community through group challenges or social gatherings. Utilize email marketing to keep your existing members informed and engaged. Monitor performance metrics to track growth and areas of improvement. Adjust class schedules based on demand and member feedback. Encourage word-of-mouth referrals by implementing a referral program. Engage with your community online to increase visibility and attract new members. Continuously refine your approach based on what resonates with your audience. Ensure that your facility and equipment meet high standards to enhance the overall experience. By following these steps, you'll set the foundation for scaling your group classes with SoulCycle effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.